Back with Family Health Experts, visiting with Jeff Marcotte of Davis Drugs. And Jeff, Davis Drugs has long been known as your diabetes shop experts. And that includes being the go-to place for those who need diabetic shoes. First of all, let's discuss the reason why someone with diabetes might need a special shoe.
Well, people with diabetes often suffer from vascular issues, circulation trouble, and nerve issues too. Those things can really affect the lower legs and the feet. If they injure their foot, it can be very difficult for that to heal. People with diabetes also can have skin breakdown easier than the rest of us. We all know stories of people that have had a simple injury in a toe or a foot, and that can lead to an amputation. So that's something you definitely want to avoid, and that's why quality footwear is important.
So if you could elaborate on that, how exactly do diabetic shoes help protect the feet?
Well, the shoes are just made different than a traditional shoe. First thing you'll notice is they're going to be deeper in depth. The reason for that is they're designed to accommodate this diabetic insert. This thing's also designed to help protect their feet. The interiors of these shoes are often very smooth. You're not going to have a lot of rough seams and edges that could damage a person's foot. Often the toe box gives a little more room. Other things, they have lots of sizes and a really wide range of widths to help accommodate these people. On occasion, we see somebody with severe swelling in their feet and ankles, and just nothing seems to work for them. Most of these manufacturers will make a shoe that'll help those people also.
I'm believing that some of the issues you mentioned are likely native to those who suffer from diabetes, but what about folks who don't necessarily have that disease? Could they benefit from special shoes such as this?
Well, they do. We sell lots of shoes every year that aren't billed through insurance. Examples may be somebody that has a real wide foot, and they're just not finding what they need at a store. Other things might be bracing. Perhaps there's some foot abnormalities or ankle issues, and they wear a drop foot brace or an ankle brace, and they need more room to help accommodate those things. Other times, people just want a really good quality shoe, and they like what they see.
Expanding on what you mentioned a moment ago about issues with the feet and abnormalities, do these shoes help at all with balance?
They do. They're more stable. Typically, they're going to be more stable and in support here in the sole area.
It appears you have a decent selection of shoes behind you, so can someone come choose from those you have in stock, or all these shoes special order?
They're going to be special order. For the things we see with people's feet, it would be very difficult to stock all these shoes. We have a great selection to come look at, but we order these custom for their feet.
The next question is one we do hear a lot, and we understand the concern, but for somebody with diabetes, how do they get insurance to help pay for these shoes?
Great question. Everyone likes to hear the answer for that one, that's for sure. Hey, they're going to need to schedule an appointment with their health care provider. That health care provider is going to do a thorough foot exam. At these appointments, I always encourage people to share any issues they're having with their feet with their doctor. Point out anything like a bunion or a hammer toe, calluses, anything out of the ordinary. It's real important that that doctor put that information in the patient notes. Insurance can be real good about helping people out to get these shoes, but they most definitely want to see documentation in those patient notes to support the need. After that, the provider will issue a prescription. When that happens, come see us and we'll take care of the rest.
He is Jeff Marcotte with Davis Drugs in Paducah, discussing options for getting fitted for diabetic shoes. If you'd like to review this segment, you can do so shortly. Look under the Family Health Experts icon online at WPSDLocal6.com. Coming up on part 2 of today's Family Health Experts, we'll visit with a new nurse practitioner in the Graves County area, Nicole Schmidt of Jackson Purchase Medical Center.